love is not always seen in action. Because if love is always seen in action, there's no violence. Walay violence. There's no broken relationship if love is in action. Walay away-away. Walay ka ng chaos. Wala. But the problem right now, asa ang love? It's not seen in action. Wala siya nakita. And it's sad to know, even in the churches, even in Christianity, bisan sa mga Christians, usahay kaning love, di rin na makita in action. Absent na siya. I believe that there is love within us. Nakamagin lang ipagigugma para sa tuwa. Nagin na. Eh alam po, ang problem, its usage or the application of our love is more often self-serving. Eh, minsan, nagpapakita tayo ng pagmamahal dahil may gusto na tayong makuha. Self-serving. Merong ganon. Minsan nakafocus palagi sa ating mga sarili. Mauna, nawawala ng halaga ang love. Nawawala ng value. Especially in this troubled world. Now, in what way? Sa paanong paraan na ang love